Information security ra. Why information security is important? Whatever the information we are storing in an organization, it should be secured, right? It might be a customer's data, it might be a sales data, production data, input data, whatever the data we are using in an organization, it should be protected, right? Without protection, how can we a business environment will be a positive thing, right? As a result, increasing interconnectivity, information now exposed to a growing number of various threats and vulnerability. As technology is increasing, there are many threats. Cyber attackers, hackers, okay, they will hack our data. There is no security whatever the data we are using in an online, right? So that is called information security. How you are protecting your information from hackers, from the threats, that is called information security. Next, why this information security is needed to our organization? Why it is needed? Whatever the data breaches we will call. What is this data breaches means? When you will split the data, sometimes the bugs will come. Sometimes you will have your phone might be get hanged. The type of things means bugs is nothing but many organizations use their separate server, no. So
Virus.
no, not virus. They will use separate server to store their data.
Okay.
They will create own server. That time bugs is nothing but where you are having errors in your programs. Okay, every organization, in example also we can see that many organization will have white hackers, we will call them. White hackers, what they will do? They will work for the government. How? Black hackers is nothing but the persons who are threatening to the people. White hackers will do, what they will do means whatever the hackers did, that they will protect from that. White hackers will call. What they will do means they will check the bugs whatever you are having in your organization. So for that it is needed to functional, whatever the functional activities you are doing in an organization, to protect that also it is important. Okay, so for that it is needed. Next, information threats. First one, viruses, it will come. When you click so many links whatever you are having in your websites, you will get virus, no. Next, you are having phishing. Phishing is nothing but fake email. We'll get lots of email, no, you are selected, spam only, like probably spam. Okay, so they will try to act as a trusted source. Just now in yesterday we have done the TCS. They will use the trusted platforms names, that is called phishing. Okay, where you should re-enter your passwords and birth name, credit card name. When you will enter that all things means your account balance will be getting. Next is spam. Spam message, junk mail will call, no. Junk mail is not common. It is everybody's phone it will have. Okay, so next you are having spoofing. Spoofing is nothing about the strategy which is used to method of authentication, right? Spoofing is nothing but sometimes you will get to receive the messages your account is credited, to check, click this link, like that is called spoofing. What it will do, it will create some IDs to show that our bank account is debited or credited. So that is about the spoofing. These are all different types of hacking activities where a cyber threats will come to a individual persons. Okay, next you are having, these are all you are having, spyware, adware. Sometimes you will get to, when you are open unofficial websites means you will get so many ads, right?
Pop-ups.
Pop-up ads. The into mark also will be small. If you click on that, it will re-enter to the another website. So that is called adware. Okay, this different types of things you are having. So any 5 to 6 is important. Okay, next you are having firewall. How firewall is protected? See here, this is your firewall. This is the data. Okay, this is the data you are having. This is the wall you are having. So whatever the viewers is seeing, till here only they can see. They'll, whatever we are also, if we are using any Google or Chrome, if we search information, that information only we will get to know. Whatever that whole data you are having in Google, we can't know that. Means firewall is there, no. What this firewall will do means it will protect the networks through the wall. This is the wall. Okay, so where computers data is protected. If any unauthorized computer is trying to hack the computer, it will automatically stop it. That is the called firewall. Okay. Next you are having cryptography. Cryptography is nothing but, for example, when you are sending a message in WhatsApp, for example, hi message to someone. Okay, so when you are sending a message, hi message, what it will convert it into a binary language. Computer language is not an English language or Telugu language, it is binary language. It will convert into the binary language, then it will goes to the network, that is called cryptography. Crypto is nothing but hidden written. Cryptography is nothing but your data will be hidden written. From plain text to, it will convert into the binary language. After getting into the binary language, it will transfer your message through network, and the receiver who is receiving the message will be decoded, and it will be seen that message. See here, you are sending the hi message. After this is the plain text, it will convert into the binary language like 1010, some binary language it will convert. After that it will go to the network. Okay, after that this binary language whatever you are having, it will convert again into the plain text. Then here the receiver will see that message. So this much process it will happen in your system software. Okay, so that is called, we can say that encrypted. WhatsApp is encrypted, end to end encrypted. No, means nobody will able to see your messages except the receiver. Okay, so that is called cryptography. How many types of cryptography is there? Symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric is nothing but, here sender is sending the message, it will convert into the plain text, again it will convert into the cipher is nothing but binary language. Okay, then it will goes to the network. Here you are having only one key. For example, if you are keeping a password of A, he need to also open with that A password. That is called symmetric key. Okay, same password is used by sender and receiver. In asymmetric, sender will have another password, that is called public key. Then that receiver will have also some private key. Okay, when you are sending the message, it will convert into plain text, then it will encrypt, it will be ciphered, then it will decrypt. No, this public key whatever you are using that password, you are using your password. He need to open that message with his private key. His private password you won't see, your public password he won't see. That is called asymmetric thing. Okay, so these two questions, especially cryptography and information security, these two questions is important from unit number 4.